Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. I hope that everybody's doing amazing today. It is October 22nd, and quick no stress pre-market. By the end of the stream, you'll know why gold's pulling back, what's up with Tesla today, and why Netflix is red. Yes, plan is simple. Futures, Heatmap, the big headlines: Tesla earnings plus recall, Netflix ads versus margins, gold silver correction, Apple iPhone mix, Uber Lyft updates, AT&T ads, Beyond squeeze, and one line on Geopolitics. If you like easy news with context, subscribe now so you don't miss the next pre-market. Yes, type your ticker once and I'll start the first 5 while we scan the heatmap together. Also tell me, are you team gold, dip, buy, or pass? I'll tally it live. Let's go ahead and get started with the S&P is up 0.1%, the Nasdaq is down negative 0.2%, and the Dow is actually flat, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. So we're a little bit mixed. It says calm before earnings. Okay, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and submit them right now. You already know, guys, I always do this every day. So go ahead and add subscribe to the channel, and not only that, go ahead and like the live stream, bro. It helps a lot. Give me a second. Get the AC on because it's getting a little bit hot in here. And let me get over here this. Welcome, Bible Thumper. Good morning, my bro. How you doing today? How are you doing today, my bro? Good to see you. Now I'm gonna be talking about Tesla, so give me a second, guys. I'm trying to do an update here. Falling. Falling. I'm doing good, bro. Let's see what Tesla got for us, bro, because I gotta pull up the Tesla. So Tesla is negative. Well, yesterday was negative 1%. So trading view. Let's pull up the chart so we can talk about it. Whoosh. Okay, Tesla over here. Tesla. Here we go. Yesterday it closed at 442.60. Today we're at 42.78. And it says over here in my notes that earnings after close, consensus calls profits down. So around 23% year over year on 6% revenue growth. And what to listen for: auto margin, Optimus robotaxi commentary, recall, specific Model 3 Y units for potential battery contactor failure, and there's gonna be a free fix, free replacement, and it's gonna be around 12,163 vehicles affected by it, guys. So maybe that's why Tesla hasn't done big moves as we wanted to see, but we already knew this, guys. We were already at a resistance, so any news will be giving us like the needed push to either side, up or down. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. But the one that I want to check out, guys, is Netflix NFLX. 1,241 was yesterday's close, and today, see, this is the why I don't like trading in the news, because look, it looked to me like it was gonna go up because we broke the trend line, but look where we are, 1,142, guys. Netflix stock down after Q3, revenue in line, operating income and margin softer due to Brazil tax, and management says ads are doubling in 2025. So record share of TV time, and tone is a little bit confident, and I actually do believe, yeah, it can be a little bit confident, specifically with Halloween coming up. A lot of people will start watching movies for Halloweens, and if they come out with a good movie, maybe that's gonna be the indicator for us to go up. But I don't like getting in news, and that's literally what happened yesterday, guys. You can see we were creating a solid support, and we broke a trend line, but we are down 1,142, which is 8% down, $97. It is a bit expensive right now, bro. Crazy times. Okay, let's go to gold. I want to take a look at XAU/USD, and I've been talking about it. Oh, the market has opened. You can see the bearish candle. There you go. Gold right now, guys, 4,048, and I did call it out. I was like, I don't want to get in because when we drop, it's gonna drop nasty. And look at what happened, guys. 4,051. So we did definitely go down, and we created a bearish engulfing candle. We haven't reached the major trend line just yet. Let me remove the Fibonacci. I don't want to confuse you guys, but you can see that, yeah, bro, it was literally showing us signs of bearishness. With that double top, it was super obvious. I didn't even sell anything. I didn't even get in. I'm watching on the sidelines this, and if we do go up, I'm gonna be waiting for a sell, bro. If and where can it go, bro? It could be here. It could be here. Going back, oh, we already did it. We went to 4,160s. So something worth keeping an eye on, bro. Specifically gold, bro. Crazy gold, how it has performed. Look at that. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. Strong area. If we go back to 3,915, don't say that you got surprised because we already knew this. Okay. I'm doing good. You know, working a lot, doing a lot of videos. Billonario got to 1 million streams, bro. So thank you for asking. I really appreciate it, my bro. Okay. Now from gold, why? You know what? Why did gold pull back? So after all-time highs, a technical pullback with stronger USD risk on tone. Traders are taking profits. Still long-term drivers. CB buying, lower US rates expectations support this space. Okay. And now let me go ahead and take a quick peek at the stock market heat map. So today we are a little bit gray with a few red spots. Netflix -8%, Amazon -1%. We can see over here at the, what is this? Texas Instrument. Wow, -13, almost -14%. But there are some outliers, some green, like APP is up 2.1. I can see over here COF up 4.5%, APH up about 6.75%. Not bad. So there are some outliers, but it says over here today Tesla, next week Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Apple, same week, NVDA in November. And why it matters, index concentration. So we got some earnings coming up by the Magnificent Seven. So be very careful, guys. Now let's go to Apple. I want to take a look at Apple. Yesterday I was watching some videos from Steve Jobs, bro. Steve Jobs was the legend, bro. Wow, look at Apple, 260. We created some higher highs already, 265. Woo! But why? Because of the iPhone sales. And it says over here, report says iPhone Air production cut. iPhone 17 Pro orders increase. There you go. That's the why. Overall lineup units are stable. So we may be reaching $300, guys. I think we can definitely get there. We created a new trend line here, uptrend, and we are breaking the resistance without any issues. We're pulling back because there could be some more pullbacks. You want to be very careful with Apple if it does retrace back down. But this was a solid break of a trend line and continuing with the momentum, with the upside momentum. Not bad for Apple. Now let's check out a little bit of mobility companies like Uber and Lyft. So Uber currently 92.40, guys. Wow. And we did call it out that Uber and Lyft is at $20.25. And it says over here, Uber electric EV only plus driver incentives are up around 4K. And we are today 92.30. Lyft, on the other hand, which is 20.15, is starting to look good to me again. Broke a trend line. I will say just wait for a little bit of a pullback just in case, because that 200 EMA could be very, very strong. But it says over here, Lyft testing cashback. Perks on preloaded accounts. San Francisco plus top riders are getting that service. Okay. Let's go to AT&T. I haven't talked about AT&T for quite a bit, but AT&T did reach a resistance, and you can see that we're pulling back down, guys. I didn't do any magic tricks or anything. I just did some resistance, support and resistance. You can see, let me actually pull up the monthly because it's gonna be a little bit confusing. You can see here that this was a strong zone, and we had a very few targets already. Raymond James, Barclays, Morgan Stanley, and we already reached the target. It says over here, Fiverr plus postpaid ads beat. Guidance reiterated. Market likes steady execution. So we're getting a few a pullback to 24.88 after we reached 29.78. Sell the news. You got it. Buy the rumor. Sell the news. You got it, Bible Thumper. 4K is the new floor. 4K for gold you're talking about, right? Yeah, 4K. Yeah, 4K is the new floor, bro. I didn't want to get in gold because I was waiting for this to happen. I kind of expected it. I was like, nah, I don't know if it's going to happen. Continuing with the upside, we reached 4,380. That's a crazy number, bro. Beyond Meat has been getting talked about for quite a while. I remember I used to trade it, not anymore. But look at this, guys. We are at $5.39. We actually reached $6. Look at that massive candle, guys. And I'm gonna tell you, volatile spike attributed to short squeeze chatter. Fundamentals are still debated, guys. So there is a short squeeze, and that's why we went up as we have done already today. 48.9%, which is kind of crazy, guys. We were literally at 96 cents previously, bro. Yesterday we were at 390s, 370s. Look at that. It's crazy. Very volatile, very careful. On the geopolitical side, guys, it says over here that Trump and Putin Budapest summit has been shelved. Keep it as context, not a thesis driver today, okay, guys? And let's do a quick scan of the crypto bubbles. And I know I'm going a little bit fast, but I have to do it. Crypto, very bearish. There are some outliers like LCX, BTRST, KMNO, Pro, AT&T. There is some bullishness there, but if you look at the king of crypto, we are at 108,000. We are 108,000, and we did reach 103,000. I kind of expected 100K, but now you can see that there is a strong support. Will it support itself? We will have to keep an eye on it. Right now, it didn't break the trend line just yet, so I'm definitely watching Bitcoin right now. Ethereum is at 3,850s. You can see strong zones all over the place, strong resistances. Look at this. Strong resistance, guys. And we do have a strong support here. So I want to keep an eye on Ethereum as well. XRP is at 2.240, which is very interesting. That is holding up very well. Cardano 63 cents. Ooh, Cardano. And Dogecoin 19 cents, guys. Some bears are making money right now. And for my OMI homies, we are at 0.00015. So we're creating new lows. No bueno. And if you have anything for me to review, guys, go ahead and do that right now. Yeah, for gold, yeah. I prospect in the desert. Low grows soy. Grandma loves crypto. I hate it. Your grandma loves crypto? Really? Crypto it used to be good. Now I think the institutions are in, and heavy manipulation, bro. Heavy manipulation. Because we already knew that retail wanted Bitcoin to go up. So I remember when it started to go up, it was like an eternity, like an easy trade. But when the government started to get in, bro, for example here, I remember the first big drop that happened with crypto. It was because Iran and China were involved. And now we got Bitcoin getting tossed up by some heavy hands, you know, big whales, institution mostly. But for me, bro, a company definitely is better. I do like crypto, but I don't know, there's some different ways to make money, like even gold, you know. But anyways, guys, that's what I wanted to review. Let me check out Rivian 1316. Okay, Rivian is actually doing good today, looking much better, getting a little bit of a support there. You can see it. Not bad, not bad. Rolls Royce still at 1518. Palantir 180, holding steady. NIO is at 695. TeraWolf 1316. Okay, holding up. I really want to see TeraWolf go to 30s and 50s. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm a little bit biased on that one, but you know. Let me remove that Fibonacci. I don't want to confuse you guys. So many targets already that we have reached. SENS, after the reverse stock split, bro, I'm very, very sad with it. We're at $7.27, and that's not bueno, bro. A lot of people are getting out of it. I mean, it's too obvious, obviously. High hopes, but we do have a 2-pole oscillator buy signal. See what happens there. And let's go through the stock market heat map real quick. Yeah, it's a little bit mixed. Google, Microsoft are up, APP is up, but we have a lot of red too. Netflix, Amazon, T-Mobile, AT&T, United Health. So a little bit mixed. She loves XRP. Your grandma loves XRP, bro. That is amazing. I'm gonna be honest. I'm happy, bro, that somebody like her are actually liking XRP. I would love to know why she loves XRP. Do you know? Or maybe you're like, she's like, no, she saw it on TikTok. Let me see. Guess let's take a look at Upbound stock. Upbound? Let's do it. I got you, bro. Upbound Group, basically like a lottery ticket. Well, yeah, I mean, with a company, at least you know, right? Like every quarter they're gonna do something. With crypto, you're like, who's investing in it? Who's putting money in it? Bro, not gonna lie, this Upbound actually looks good, bro. Started with a monthly, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a chart or our technical analysis here, so we can enjoy it. Okay, so one more. Let's go to a weekly. Yeah, I want to see if I can draw a trend line. So we already broke this trend line, and you can see we actually went up. We went back to the support levels. We created some zones. And we are breaking trend lines, so this is actually looking interesting. What I want to say is wait for this consolidation to be broken, bro. That consolidation has to be broken wherever it wants to be broken. Obviously, we can capitalize on it, but I'm gonna be honest, it kind of looks more bullish than bearish to me. Now let's look at the RSI for the monthly. Is like in the middle. We were a little bit overbought. The RSI is actually crossing, so this could be good signs for upside. Yeah, and the daily, yeah, it was oversold, so this is a good price point. I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna say that I'm a financial advisor, but it kind of looks to me like it does want to go up. And if we do go up, let's do some calculations of where it can go. So let's say that it goes back to 36. That's going to be around 61%. If it goes up to about 60s, it could be 180s. But obviously, things can go down as well. So if we go back to 17, that's going to be around 33%, $6. Or even lower than that. Let's say that it goes to 8. That's about 170%. So be very careful on it, okay? Yeah, I blame TikTok. Yeah, basically. Dividend, I like the chart, but I'm apprehensive. No, I understand the apprehension because we haven't received full-blown bullish engulfing candles as we want to. I understand the why you are apprehensive. But it does provide you clarity that we are in the oversold area for the daily. So maybe short term, it can go up. And if you look over here, we broke a trend line. The best thing for me, or what I would love to see, is a higher low. Concern is that it is in a consolidation box. The best thing will be for this to either pull back and go down to this area here, create a higher low and reject to continue, or pull up, break the consolidation box, retest, and go. Those are the two examples that I would take as an entry. So right now you can see we're getting rejections. If it does create a higher low, pull a trend line, bro. Stop losses maybe around here or beneath this, and you can capitalize on it. But you said that it pays dividends, so maybe you are basically DCAing. I like the weekly candle though. The weekly looks a little bit better, pretty stable, not a lot of action. Definitely want to watch out. It's not an advisor. Yeah. No, but you said decent dividends, and I like that, bro. I like that you already like set up mentally. You know what I mean? You already know what you're getting into. Because some people, they don't know. They just put money and that's it. Just like, oh, a TikToker said it. A TikToker said it. I mean, I'm not saying to buy either. I'm just a normal dude. I'm doing my own analysis. And you're part of my inner thoughts. I can't believe today is Wednesday already, bro. This year is almost done, bro. The heck? My birthday is coming up too. We're just dudes talking shit. Yes and no. Yes and no, because it is actually news. And it's like the economy, so I don't think it is. I don't think it is. I think it's very important. You know why I do the videos or the live streams still? Because when I stopped doing them, that's when I had the biggest loss. I was doing phenomenal. And I was like, okay, let me just focus on my music. And when I did that, bro, I mean, I wanted to focus on my music, but at the same time, I didn't want to see my investments go to the toilet. So, it's looking good, bro. Definitely want to watch out for that. Well, let's keep an eye on Rivian. Not a lot of action today, seems like. Look at this. Look at the crypto market. All the bubbles are like freaking red. And then on the stock market side, look at this, bro. It's not that great. Let me show you the whole thing, bro, so you can see it. Look at this. Look at this. Doesn't look beautiful. For the middle of the week, doesn't look beautiful. You're gonna pick up some more shares, bro. I think you are on the right mindset. Just DCA, bro. Calm, bro. Don't over exaggerate. Just do what you do, bro. You know what I mean? Invest money that you are willing to lose. Look at this, bro. Right now, I don't think there's gonna be an explosion unless there's like some big news. I don't even know what's happening with the government shutdown. I do know though that the CPI is coming out very, very soon. Oh, and let me look at the DXY because I think the DXY, bro, 99, bro. Ay, Dios mío, bro. I was waiting for this for like months. Literally, I waited all of this, bro. Literally, I've been waiting since here, bro. Since here. And now it's going up. Look at that. All that noise, bro. And now it's up. Euro USD 1.159. Bro, phew. The DXY, bro, gives us great signals, so. Great signals. Look at UAP USD. Oh, it's rejecting the trend line. USD APY 151.95, bro. But it is in a trend line, so we are in a very tough spot. We remove this. I want to confuse myself. Wait, what's happening to my music? We got 5 people watching. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like the live stream, though. Like the live stream. Slow and patient. There you go, sir. I prefer building something concrete within a period of time other than like getting a big spike. The big spikes are good, but it can definitely you can like a big spike. Sometimes you're not able to buy or even sell because there's so much volatility that brokers may even halt the trading of that particular position. So be very, very cautious whenever that happens. Well, I don't see too much green over here. Alibaba 169, and we already reached our target. We already reached our target, bro. Let's go. That was my first target, bro. I like to take small bites of volatile spikes. They trade and take a couple percentage points. That's it, bro. You got the plan, bro. I love it. I love it. You're ready. You're ready. You're ready, bro. You are ready, my bro. Look at Beyond Meat, bro. Look at Beyond Meat. Look at this. Bro, I still have some shares of Beyond Meat. Look at this, $6, bro. It's getting short squeezed. Wow. That's nasty, bro. And we were totally oversold, bro. Totally oversold. 4 hour, daily. Everything was totally oversold, bro. But look at it now, bro. Wow. And this was worth like hundreds. Yeah, even 200s, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. McDonald's 307, bro. Look at McDonald's, bro. McDonald's can't even go higher. Citibank has a target of 380s. DraftKings 34.48. Bro, DraftKings I actually caught up a little bit of it. TerraWolf is 13.35, bro. Let's go. Let's go, TerraWolf. I believe in you, bro. This one, bro, let's take it to freaking 50. I entered in 50 cents on this one, by the way, bro. It's already at 13.40s. So I didn't invest that much. I would have invested more, but like I said, there was a time that I stopped doing these videos, and I love doing stock market reviews and crypto review because it's my passion, bro. One of my passions, and I'm thankful that I'm able to share it and that there is an audience for it. So thank you guys for those who join me every day. You are the best. Look, bro, look at the volatility of Beyond. Oh my god, it just went to 560s. Look at this. No, bro, no, that's crazy, bro. You're strongly considering it, bro. Look at this. It's like, yeah, I mean, it's getting the volume. It does have the volume. I just don't like it, bro. I don't know what you're gonna do with it, bro. It's totally right now. No, we already broke the 2 pole oscillator sell signal, bro. Bro, 560. Look at this. This is very volatile, bro. That's crazy. Beyond Meat, bro. Let's Should I do a clip of this, bro? Maybe. Let me see. BYND. Strongly considering it, bro. I stay away in the volatility like that, bro. But it says, look, Beyond Meat surges amid short squeeze talk and meme stock buzz. I mean, we already knew that, right? Oh, and Beyond Meat shares rally on Walmart expansion deal. And by the way, out of the non-real meat produce, bro, Beyond Meat for me is the best. It tastes better. Beyond Meat tastes better than the other one. I forgot the name. Volatility is your side hustle. Hey man, if you aren't able to control it, like your emotions and just get out, you're good, bro. Yeah, not a main, because it seems like you like your DCA strategy. But look, we're already at 550s, bro. Oh my god, there's a lot of people taking profits already, bro. I mean, whoever entered at 95 cents right now is making like 5,000x for sure. It's crazy, bro. Look at that, 50% up. And that's where the volume went, bro. Everybody's like, what happened in the market? Well, the volume went to Beyond Meat, bro. You bought at 555? Ooh. Okay, I wish you the best, bro. I wish you the best, my bros. You are in the roller coaster for sure. Like, what is gonna be your target, bro? Like, how much profit are you? You're already in profit, but how much profit you're looking for? I wanna learn your strategy, bro. See, we're back break even. We're losing money right now. 548, 543. A few percent, like 10%. What are you looking for, bro? Because if you're looking for like 10%, then you need this to go to $6. And the move already happened, bro. For me, I would have entered like, I would have said like $2. If I was in $2, I've already doubled this. But we're at 550, 549. I just don't like the gaps, bro. Look at the RSI, super overbought, bro. 10 is too greedy. 1.5% of my portfolio in it. Okay, you're making profits now, bro. You're good. So how much a percent you're looking, bro? Like 1%? You're saying 10% is greedy? Dang it, bro. Then you must say that I'm very greedy because I entered. I entered on TeraWolf at 50 cents and it's already at $13. 4 or 5. So you're looking for around $6. You're looking for this to go to $6 and you're making profits already, bro. 570s. Let's go. I'm with you, bro. I'm cheering for you, bro. There you go, bro. 585. Let's go. Oh, 574, 560s. Oh, okay. For a stock that okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Like something like you're just scalping them. A little bit too greedy. Got you, bro. 570s, bro. You're good. Actually, you're already making good profits, bro. You are making around 3%. I think you're looking for like $586. Yeah, scalping is a good description. Yep. Yeah, I used to do that with Euro USD, but now I have work and I'm trying to focus on my music. Ooh, 583. Let's go, bro. 590s. Let's go, bro. Let's go. I'm cheering for you, bro. $6, bro. $6. Let's go. You got it, bro. You got it, bro. Bro, you already made like 8%, bro. No, 10% is too greedy. Come on, man. You already already got 8. That's crazy. Let's go. I kind of want to do a video about it, like why is Beyond Meat going up, right? So let me do a short video real quick. Let's go, bro. Fun times, bro. I'm here with you, bro. I'm cheering you on, bro. And I don't usually stay here for that long for a trade. You know what I mean? Look at that 602, bro. Bro, you're doing good, bro. I think, did you get out? Nah, I'm not. I mean, I hold this. I still got positions, but because I strongly believe in Beyond Meat, but nah, we'll have to wait now. Look at that, bro. 607, let's go, bro. He's gonna become bullish again, bro. No, bro. I think you should sell like 3/3 of the positions, maybe, whenever you feel comfortable, and let the other ride. This motherfucker can really go up, bro. I'm not lying, bro. It's crazy. It was like 60 cents, bro. Look. You're already 9%, bro, and you were saying that 10% is greedy. Come on, man. I'm gonna do a YouTube short for this, bro. So I'm gonna do this video real quick, bro. Bro, you can't even see the chart, so sorry about that, man. That's on me. That's on me. Look at that, bro. Beyond Meat, bro. Yeah, just like for me, the best thing to consider is like maybe if you wanna be break even, I mean close everything to be break even, or just take a little bit of profit, right? 3/3 and let the other ride, because he's already a winner, bro. You're already making win. And that's if you want to, though. Double, but it's crazy to expect 10% too often. Yeah, bro. But when there's volume, it can happen. When there's volume, it can happen. It's that crazy, bro. So let me do a quick video about this, bro. Y dice in 3, 2, 1. Beyond Meat just exploded. Yes, the stock exploded nearly 100% up in a single session. You can see that yesterday we closed at $2 and espérate. Let me fix this. Actually, let me do the weekly candle. That's gonna be it. The weekly candle. No, bro, it's even more. The weekly candle is like 468%, bro. Okay, let me do it again. Beyond Meat just exploded. The stock nearly 100% in one session, but 400% in a week, and traders are calling it the next meme stock short squeeze. Right now, over 50% of the float is shorted, which means a lot of investors are betting it'll fall. But when the price spiked, those shorts had to buy back fast, and that's fueling the surge. Still, analysts say it's not fundamentals. Revenues are down 15% and the company's still losing money, and it just swapped debt for equity. So the hype is real, but the risk is too. Would you buy Beyond Meat here or short this squeeze? Let me know. We do the videos con mucho more. Bro, not gonna lie, that's pretty crazy. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. You got so much volume, bro. Because he's already a winner, bro. You already see that the weekly candle 100% in a week, and 20% of the float is shorted. Stock in one session, but the stock. Okay, let me do it again. Beyond Meat just exploded. The stock nearly 100% Okay, I'm just gonna do that video because I think it's gonna be good, bro. A lot of people talking about it. Maybe I'll get a little bit of traction. Beyond Meat, bro. That's crazy. 585, bro. 586 right now. $586. It was a good short. Yeah. We have to do it, bro. I don't know. This channel may confuse a lot of people, but this channel, I'm gonna be honest, is all of my passions in one place. I don't talk about gaming on this one particularly, and gaming is like one of my biggest passions. Like I've been gaming since I was a kid, but here I post about music, about stocks, about even I do some vlogs. So hopefully that's entertaining. I do it in English, even though I'm a Spanish speaker. I am from Puerto Rico, but you know, I do it for fun. 568, bro. I'm so glad that you got some profit out of the way, bro, because this, I don't know, bro. There's a big gap. I don't like gaps like this. This is too crazy, bro. We can still go, bro. Can still go. It's a little bit overbought already, though. My brother's a gamer. I like it, but I don't do it a lot. I do game. I do Roblox, but what I do on Roblox is literally like I try what is trending, and I haven't gamed like other things in the live streams, but maybe Gartic phone and here and that. But over here, I want to be a little bit more serious, so that's kind of why I have two channels. But anyways, Bible Thumper, thank you very much for your son plays Roblox. Hey, bro, Roblox is a great platform. Just be very, very cautious, right? You know, parental guidance and parental settings are very, very needed because there are some creeps out there. But Roblox, in my perspective, I'm a developer, bro. I studied computer science. As a developer, I do think it is a great starting point for people to learn how to do games, how to do scripts, in a very, very entertaining way, and you can actually make money from it. But there's, you know, there has to be some guidance for the kids, and I'm sure you are with your son, so keep an eye on it. I do love Roblox. It's a great platform. There are great games, and there's great opportunities to learn. So hopefully that's your case, bro. Gotta watch out and teach the kids. Yeah, bro, exactly. Yeah, there's always degenerates, bro. Like, even in my timeline, like, I remember the chats. There was, like, I don't know, Latin chat. I remember one of those, and there were some degenerates. There's always degenerates. You can find degenerates on Facebook, on Instagram, everywhere. So be very, very cautious. But I'm sure you're good. Look at this, bro. We're back to 593 for Beyond Meat, bro. That's crazy. Oh, perfect, bro. Yeah, tell them to subscribe to King David, bro. This is my channel, bro. Let me share it with you. It's King David, bro. And I do giveaways as well. Like, I do Game Pass giveaways. I do Robux giveaways. And I got 82,400 subscribers. So that's pretty good. This is my biggest channel, bro. And I got another channel. I got a new channel called David Eats. But I'm doing, like, memes right now. Well, with food. David Eats. Only got 20 subscribers, but it's going well. Look at the views. 1,000 views. 2,000 views. But like I said, oh my god, we're back to 620. So, oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Look at that, bro. 621. Let's go, bro. 71% up today, guys. That is insane, bro. Let's go, bro. You're already making good profits. Bro, I told you when there's volatility, you gotta let the winners win, bro. Mera para allá, bro. You enter at 555, right? 555. Bro, you already made the 10%? Told you, bro. I told you, bro. You could do it. You could do it. I told you. I mean, I'm not a mind reader or I'm a psychic, but it just made sense because there was a lot of volume. And Beyond Meat is not a bad product. They actually chose wisely. Wall Street Bets this time chose wisely. I know GME had like opportunities. This time it's Beyond Meat. I tried Beyond Meat. I actually included it in my diet for a while. Not anymore because they stopped bringing it to Target. Now I don't even buy almost like meat. So look at that, bro. Oh my god, 630. Oh my god, bro. Look at that candle. Became bullish, bro. It became bullish. You saw that daily turn to bullish, bro. Look at that. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. That is crazy. 629, 630s. You sold at 580. You sold at 580. Oh, it's good. It's good. You make profit. That's good. So you basically made about 6%. Yeah, about 6%. That's good, bro. Yep. And you sold everything? Yeah, this is a rocket chip. Yeah. Yep. 625. And wait until you can, bro. This can go even more crazy. This could be the new GME, bro. It's crazy that it's doing what it's doing, bro. And I used to believe in Beyond Meat so much. Look, 633 already, bro. Oh, 636. No, this is gonna go up, bro. Ay. Let me see where it's gonna head. It's just that I'm looking at the weekly and I'm looking at the 200 EMA, bro. And if we stay above the 50, we can definitely push to like $19. Bro, look at that 660s, bro. Ay, my bros. We're watching the squeeze right now, bro. Happen in real time. Look at that. 673. Going up and away. 673, bro. Yeah, how's the market doing? Bro, Beyond Meat is the biggest outlier today. He's the biggest winner. Look at that. Winner, Beyond Meat dinner. It's crazy. 670s, bro. Woo. And he's gonna go higher. I think he's gonna go higher. It just doesn't make sense that Beyond Meat was so low, bro. I was wondering about that, bro. It's the short squeeze. And now he's getting the action. Now, this is where technicals will fail us. I can give some targets, but it won't be good, bro. Some people are just going to make some profits out of this. Look at the 200 EMA, $28. No, that will be crazy to go to $28. 670s, bro. No. Yo, no regrets, bro. No regrets. Why are you going to regret? You made profit, bro. If you had a loss, then I guess it will be a different story. But in either case, bro, if you lose, you learn. You know, you're like, oh, okay, this is where I messed up. But you made money, bro. I wouldn't cry if I made money. Bro, look at that. It's crazy. 673 already, bro. Woo. A full $1. Let me look at TeraWolf is 1297, bro. Everything went here, bro. And my SENS made me lose money, bro. Sadly. He had a reverse stock split. It was the worst decision ever, bro. But look, Beyond Me, bro. BYND. Let's go. 673. 85% already, bro. Nah, bro. This is gonna keep on going. This is gonna keep on going. That's crazy. But anyways, guys, I want to say thank you all for your amazing support. Keep an eye on the YouTube shorts that I'm going to be dropping. You already know. We do the videos con mucho more. Bible Thumper. Have a beautiful day, my bro. As always.
Bebiendo ron con el coco. El coquí canta bonito, bailando con mi coquito. Bebiendo ron con el coco, el coquí canta bonito, bailando con mi coquito. Con mi coquito. Coco.